guys, welcome to Annalisa's Awesome Adventures. We're doing a review on Chinese Jello. Okay.
Call it Super Train.
Super Train. Super Train. Dun, dun, dun.
Mango.
Mango.
Have to try a mango.
Oh my god. I'm shaking. Like.
It's mango.
Mango. Show them.
Mango.
Show them. Mango. Mango.
Of course, it's hard to open it.
I know how to open it.
Mm.
Let me know.
Oh, it is a gel.
Oh my gosh, it's so good. Feel it. Oh my god. Hang on.
It's a fruit jelly.
Oh my god. It's easy to come out like that. I thought it was going to be in one big piece.
No, it's not. It's
I mean,
a gel. It's a fruit jelly.
Fruit jelly? How do they make it like this?
Alright, we try. I'm gonna try first.
I already tried mine.
Mmm. Yummy.
I'll eat it all.
That's good. I like mango.
Hey, there's mango bits in here.
Yeah, it is. That's yummy. 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 Can we try the grapes?
Fine.
Grapes.
Apple. I still keep eating this.
It is good. Wow.
Pour it out.
Look at that. So yummy.
Oh, it looks like jelly. Hey, you took all my side.
Mmm.
Oh, I hate
I love this snack.
snack.
Mm.
Wait, we didn't rate this one. I'll give that a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10 too.
A 10 out of 10 on this one too.
Mm. Yummy.
What do you rate this one?
10 out of 10. Really good. Now we have to try the red one. No, it's
apple.
the green apple.
More mango.
Why is it so hard to open? Must be put really sticky in there. You see the apple inside?
My turn to go first.
Wanna
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Look, they have cubes.
No. I'll give this 9 out of 10.
I like it. 10 out of 10.
Okay. Mine is 9.
10 out of 10 on everything. Yum.
I want to try the strawberry. It's all coming out. I want to try this last one.
That's the last one?
Yeah, I think it's all like 4 flavors in there. Strawberries. Let's see this one. Yummy. This is 10 out of 10. Good? My favorite is mango, grapes, and strawberry.
My favorite. Mango, pineapple. Everything. I like everything.
What is in there? There's something else? Oh, there's all grapes. Yeah.
Thanks guys for watching. Bye.
Eat some more jelly fruits. Oh, fruit jelly.
Jelly fruits.
There's things for the coins in there. You see it?
Where?
You put the coins in there.
Oh yeah, you can use that as a coin thing too.
You can use this as a
A bank.
bank.
Money bank. I already have
I want a
one
jelly.
that counts all the money.